So I'm going to show you how to make the best grilled cheese sandwich ever. First, let's start with our ingredients. I got some Pepperidge Farm bread here. It's the whole grain, 15 grain. It's good stuff. This is good hearty bread. Don't use wimpy little white bread or even whole wheat, which I like whole wheat, but use something a little bit, meatier. Okay? Then, of course, we have some cold cuts and some cheese and some butter, some spicy pickles. Also, we will need some salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Alright, so first things first, turn on the oven, the stove, get your pan warm. It's about a medium-high heat, I guess, something like that. Alright, get out your bread. All you need is 2 slices. Now we got 2 nice pieces of bread. Alright, we're going to put a little butter on this bread. Okay, can you see that? A little butter on the bread. Don't exaggerate, but make sure you cover the whole slice. Now, the cold cuts that I got are some salami, some ham, some Swiss cheese, and look at this. I asked the lady for a 1/4 pound. She gave me like 9 fucking pounds. So we got some salami, 2 slices, good enough. You don't need to go crazy. Okay. Then we got a couple pieces of ham, right? Oh my God, she gave me enough ham for a small village. Some ham. Matter of fact, I think 1 slice is good enough. Yeah, fuck it. I'll just eat this guy right here. I got the ham and salami in there, right? I got the bread buttered. Okay. Okay. Oh. I have it on the wrong burner. That's why it wasn't cooking. So I'll give this another second. And once that cooks just a little bit, not a lot, we're going to throw down the bread. We're going to put everything in between 2 slices of bread. We're going to add just a tiny bit of salt, pepper, and garlic powder. And then we got ourselves one hell of a grilled cheese sandwich. Alright, so now this is cooking. So that salami, I'm already going to take that out. This ham, I'm going to go ahead and take that out. I'm going to throw down my bread. Then I'm going to throw down some Swiss. Right? Then I'm going to put the ham on top of the Swiss, like so. Then I'm going to put the salami. And on goes the American cheese. Then a piece of bread on top. And now time for the seasoning. This is the most important part. Not too much. Don't go crazy. Don't want to be one of those people who's got to exaggerate every fucking thing. Just a tiny pinch of salt. A little bit of black pepper. And a little bit of garlic powder. There you go. Let this cook a little bit. Then we're going to plate it. And we're going to fucking eat it. It's already smoking a little bit. I'm going to flip it and see where we're at. Oh, that's a nice little color right there. But cheese ain't melted, so I'm going to leave it on there a little bit longer. Get the other side nice and brown. I might flip it one more time just for the hell of it. And then we should be good. Did you know that Chuck Norris can roundhouse kick a midget and not laugh? Alright, let's see where we're at. Nope, not even close. Put that guy back there. I'm a little too anxious to eat this sandwich, I guess. Can you see that? That's the sandwich. Not done yet. I don't normally do this, but this time I'm gonna put a little lid on it. Just to make sure that cheese starts melting. So how's your day going? Be patient with food. Don't rush it. Let me the fuck up already. Okay, I think we're done. Perfect. Perfecto. Now, I'm gonna cut this bad boy in half, diagonally. Alright. I'm going to add my pickle. That didn't sound right. Get the spicy pickles. They taste good. Alright. That is the most badass grilled cheese sandwich you ever done seen. Now let's eat this motherfucker. Can you see that? That is good. I'm not even lying. That is a good fucking sandwich. Well, there is the greatest grilled cheese sandwich ever. Go ahead and make it and enjoy it. And you can thank me in the comments.